Regain your large building's structural strength and integrity in 7 steps, a guide with Meinhardt Pakistan. The towering presence of your large building speaks volumes about its history, purpose, and impact. But with time, even the most robust structures can face challenges that compromise their strength and integrity. Whether it's wear and tear, environmental factors, or changing usage patterns, ensuring your building's structural well-being becomes paramount. Regaining that strength and integrity doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. By following these 7 steps and partnering with an expert like Meinhardt Pakistan, you can breathe new life into your building and ensure its continued success. 1. Recognize the signs. Be observant. Cracks, uneven settlement, water damage, and excessive deflection are all potential indicators of structural issues. Don't wait for major problems to arise. Address even minor concerns promptly. 2. Seek expert help. Engaging a qualified structural engineer is crucial. Meinhardt Pakistan's team of experienced professionals possesses the specialized knowledge and cutting-edge tools to accurately diagnose the root cause of any problems. 3. Conduct a comprehensive assessment. A thorough evaluation is essential. Our engineers will meticulously inspect your building, using advanced technologies and methodologies to uncover the full extent of the damage. 4. Develop a tailored plan. One-size-fits-all solutions rarely work in structural restoration. Meinhardt Pakistan creates a customized repair and rehabilitation plan that precisely addresses your building's unique needs and challenges. 5. Prioritize sustainability. We go beyond mere repairs. Our solutions incorporate sustainable practices, minimizing environmental impact and enhancing your building's long-term performance and energy efficiency. 6. Partner with trusted professionals. Selecting the right team for construction is vital. Meinhardt Pakistan oversees the entire construction process, ensuring quality control, adherence to safety regulations, and efficient execution. 7. Celebrate the renewed strength. Witness your building reborn. With regained structural integrity, you create a safer, more functional, and ultimately more valuable asset for generations to come. Meinhardt Pakistan, your dedicated partner in structural restoration. We understand the complexities of restoring large buildings. Our proven track record, expertise, and client-centric approach make us the ideal partner in this journey. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us guide you through these 7 steps, ensuring your building stands tall and proud for years to come.